I'm going to give the book review on the book named The 40 Rules of Love, which is written by Elif Shafak. Elif Shafak was born on 25 October 1971 in France. She has published 19 works, which include Three Daughters of Eve, The Gaze, 10 minutes 38 seconds, and others. Her works have been translated into 55 languages. She writes in Turkish and in English. This book is about friendship and love. This book tells us the story of a 40-year-old housewife named Ella. She has a fulfilled family, but still there is an emptiness in her. And so she started to read a book named Sweet Blasphemy, which was written by Azad Zara. That book was about Rumi and Shams of Tabriz. The friendship of Rumi and the friendship of Shams of Tabriz. Rumi was also feeling loneliness at first, but when he met Shams, that loneliness was finished. Ella found it similar with her life, and she started to talk with that writer Aziz through emails. And suddenly they both fall in love with each other. And then she decided to leave her family and her home and to spend her rest of life with Aziz, and she did it. And they both went to another country, and after 2 years Aziz died because of a disease. Then that loneliness and that emptiness again began to grow in Ella. If we see it, then when Shams died, the loneliness in Rumi's life also began to grow. Then it means that there will be a Shams who will come in all of our life, maybe as a lover or maybe as a companion, who will teach us, who will give us comfort, and who will care for us. This book has inspired me a lot, and the thing which I got most inspired by were the 40 rules which Shams had made. I just want to discuss 2 of them. The first says that if you want to change the way others treat you, you should first change the way you treat yourself. We can see that whenever we love ourselves and we give respect to ourselves, so the whole world loves us and give respect to us. But when we hate ourselves and we underestimate ourselves, so the whole world hates us. The second one is that we should not fear that where that road will take us. Instead, we should concentrate on the first step, which is the hardest and which is what we are responsible for. We can see that whenever we start to do a new thing, so we concentrate on where it takes us to, but we don't concentrate on the first step, which is the important one. If we give our concentration to that first step, then everything will be fine. And if we take it wisely, so everything will be done naturally. This book has inspired me a lot, and I love this book so much. If you get a hand on this book, so you should read it, and surely you will love it. Thank you.